Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys oppo mobile setting friends, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys Bluetooth setting. And today video title is friends how to connect Bluetooth device in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to connect any Bluetooth device, any headphone, earphone, speaker, earbuds. So when how to connect and how to use Bluetooth setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here Bluetooth setting, and friends Bluetooth setting is off. So first of all turn on your Bluetooth in your oppo mobile. After turn on Bluetooth friends, first of all refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, you can check available device network name. So friends, you have earphone, speaker, headphone, Bluetooth speakers. So friends, select your Bluetooth device. Friends, I have earphone. Friends, you can see pairing option. So friends, click here pair option, and friends your device will pair after 4 and 5 seconds. Friends, device will pair, earphone will connect with oppo mobile. Friends, you can see paired device. We have paired this earphone. So like that friends, you can pair any Bluetooth device and you can use in your oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you want to unpair device. So friends, click here unpair option. After unpair friends, again you want to connect, you want to pair, you cannot pair because you will have to give your permission pair option, then friends you can use it. Could not connect. Okay. And friends, you can check your oppo mobile Bluetooth device name, and friends you want to rename your Bluetooth device name. So friends, you can rename from here. Right click, device name will rename. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.